Welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, a compact yet powerful dash camera designed to keep you safe on the road. If you're looking for a discreet, high-quality dash cam, stay tuned as we dive into its features and performance. Design and build quality. First, let's talk about the design. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is incredibly compact, about the size of a car key, allowing it to mount discreetly behind your rear-view mirror. This design ensures it goes virtually unnoticed while still capturing everything on the road. Video quality. Despite its small size, the Mini 2 packs a punch with a 140-degree wide lens that records in 1080p. Thanks to Garmin's Clarity HDR optics, you get crisp and clear details both day and night. This makes it ideal for capturing incidents in any lighting condition. One standout feature is the voice control, available in multiple languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. You can use simple voice commands to save videos, start or stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. This hands-free operation enhances your driving safety. Wi-Fi and the Garmin Vault. The dashcam comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing saved videos to automatically upload to Garmin's secure online vault. From there, you can view and share videos later through the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone, making it easy to manage and access your recordings. Parking guard and live view. For added security, the parking guard feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. Additionally, with constant power and Wi-Fi, you can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring through the Garmin Drive app, giving you peace of mind when you're away from your car. Multicam support and durability. You can expand your awareness by connecting up to 4 Garmin dash cams using the Garmin Drive app, creating a comprehensive view around your vehicle. Plus, the Mini 2's durable design withstands harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and high temperatures. Accessories and requirement. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 includes a dual USB charger, providing an extra USB port for charging other devices. Note that you'll need at least an 8GB microSD card, Class 10 or faster, to store recordings. The device supports up to 512GB cards, giving you plenty of storage space. Before using the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, remember that some jurisdictions regulate or prohibit the use of dash cams. It's your responsibility to know and comply with applicable laws and privacy rights in your area. In conclusion, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an excellent choice for those seeking a discreet, reliable, and feature-packed dash camera. With its high-quality video, voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and robust design, it offers great value for its price. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Drive safe!